Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Canon in D on the piano easily and slowly. We'll break down this beautiful piece into manageable steps, focusing on the core elements. First, we'll identify the four main chords that form the foundation. Then, we'll tackle the simple, repeating bass line for your left hand, followed by the right hand melody. Our goal is to build confidence and enjoy the process, taking it one step at a time. For the left hand, you'll be playing a consistent, repeating bass line. This pattern typically involves 8 notes per measure, moving through the 4 foundational chords. Concentrate on making your transitions between these chords smooth and connected, without any abrupt stops. Using a metronome is incredibly helpful here. Set it to a very slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, to ensure a steady and even rhythm throughout your practice. Now, let's turn our attention to the right hand, which carries the beautiful, stepwise melody. This part can seem intricate, but we'll simplify it. Break the melody into small, manageable phrases, perhaps 2 to 4 notes at a time. Practice each of these mini-phrases slowly and repeatedly until it feels comfortable. Only then should you gradually connect them, building the full melody one section at a time. Finally, it's time to combine both hands. This step requires patience. Start at an extremely slow, deliberate pace, perhaps half the speed you practiced each hand individually. Focus on synchronizing the notes from both hands precisely. Practice in short, focused sessions, maybe 10 to 15 minutes at a time, to avoid fatigue. Listen carefully to ensure a smooth, unified sound, gradually increasing your speed as comfort grows.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.